mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Breezes seem to whisper.
Hi guys, I'm Kira. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I would like to share with you guys what I bought from Shopee. So, jom buka our parcel. Cannot wait. You know what? I suka gila beli barang, and then when I receive the parcel, I feel like it's my present from me to myself. So every week, I got a present from myself. Right? Okay, ada one box ni ada buka. So for this week punya parcel from Shopee, I forgot what I beli. We got one parcel, 2, 3 which I already open it. Tak sabar sangat. This is for our store. And then 4 and 5. Let's open it. First parcel I dah buka. It's infrared. It's like a thermometer.
Normal temperature.
Ooh. Next one. Buka the small one first. I think I know what is this. So many bubble wrap. It's not even a fragile stuff. Oh, it's a mask. Sebab kita orang like cari the perfect mask for us, but also we wanted to buy the mask that really protect us. Dia ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically you have to open this. Then ada dawai here for your nose. Ooh! Oh my gosh, this is so comfortable! Baby! Look at this mask! Next one. I know what is this. Another mask. It's KN95 mask. I terus beli 20 piece, yo. This mask. It's quite cheap too. Item number 4. Mesti my mom buka. Buat dia gambar actually I did nampak. Oh my gosh. Cuba teka apa? Cuba teka. Pause this video and comment down below. What do you think this is? Ready? It's a USB blender. Cute one. And then I bought the one yang datang dengan 2. Okay. This one is the smaller size. See? This is the biggest size. Let me try this. kitchen is very small, so we need to buy all this kitchen stuff. This next item, I'm so excited. I forgot apa I order, but I don't know which one is it in this batch. So let's open this baby up. What is it? See, I have no idea. I have no idea. What is this? I have no idea. It's my coasters. So cute. Okay, kita orang dah lama cari coasters for our house, but I didn't find any that I like. I know like I nak macam dulu, I nak macam yang, you know, all the rotan punya style, but Zami cakap macam Bali house. So I found this one in Shopee. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, I'll show you guys. I'm so happy. Aduh, ni apa I lupa lah. Let's open this one. They came in the same package. I think I bought this long time ago. Macam 2 weeks ago. It's a mat, it's a glass. Oh my God, jangan pecah. It's a metal straw. When did I order metal straw? Oh, I remember. Okay, the reason I bought this because Zami said, oh, we need a, not water bottle, we need a, bukan cawan also, macam a place to drink with a straw. Sebab masa tu kita orang tak ada coffee table, so we need to like hold it. So I beli lah ni. Now he said unnecessary. Look at these. Oh my God. This is so cute. This is our coaster. Cute. Okay guys, I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like this kind of video, macam Shopee haul ke whatever, just let me know so I can do more videos like this. Sebab I shop a lot.